Shimmy, 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 shake. Hey everyone, today we're going to start the review on the Steels 840 headset. And while I'm talking, I'm going to be working on creating this. Alright, with that, I'm going to cue the intro. Okay, this is about my third or fourth time trying to record the audio here. Unfortunately, my computer is really weird when it comes down to recording and trying to do other tasks at the same time. It's pretty much incompetent. The last recording I tried, it recorded it, but it would record it spit up and then kind of didn't render the audio properly. So what we're going to do here is I'm not going to give you a sample of the audio. If you do a quick search, you'll find it anyways. The audio from the mic is really good. The quality, it sounds good. The sound from that is produced. Sorry, something on my phone popped up. The sound that produced from the headset itself is really decent quality. What I really enjoy about this headset is the fact that it is surround sound. It does have, you can hear the different channels, but with that said, it does fail with the back two speakers. You don't really hear anything from them, which isn't a deal breaker or anything. I mean, it could be just the headset that I got, and it could be just that. But the sound quality, the virtualization of the surround sound seems to work really well and of decent quality. Not stellar, but of decent quality. The mic is one of the better ones that I've heard coming from a headset. All right. Some of the features that we get from this is that we do have Bluetooth, which is great. We also have a wireless component. For me, that's fantastic because I don't like fighting with wires, especially when I need to work on the tablet using the pen. Considering I'm a left-handed person, those cables always get in my way when I'm listening to music while drawing or something, or sculpting on the computer. These cables get in the way. Or if I'm actually physically painting on a canvas. This wireless headset's going to give me that kind of opportunity when I am working on that sort of stuff. Now, the downfall here with this headset really comes down to noise cancellation. There is none. Noise isolation is very minimal. Unfortunately, I can hear quite a bit of what's going on around me when I am listening to something and there's noise in the background. I can pretty much hear it. Word for word, it's very clear, unfortunately. And it's a little bit on the frustrating side that they don't have that built into such an expensive device. This headset is not cheap. It is $260 now. It was $329. So I wouldn't spend the $329 for this headset, but I would definitely spend the $260. That is definitely worth the price. And with the addition of having two batteries, I can constantly have this headset going while one's battery's charging, the other one's in the headset, which is quite nice and quite convenient. The bass, we'll talk about that next. The bass itself that this communicates to, well, that's kind of bulky. But with that bulk, you get a lot of features like it charges the battery, which is great. I mean, it's not massive. It's got about a 4x4 footprint by 1 in height. Navigation is pretty straightforward using the dial that's on there, and you have a back button as well. The OLED display is very clear to read, especially if you have a visual problem. You'll still be able to read this fairly well, depending on your visual challenges. And that's fantastic that they've done that. The contrast is quite nice. All right. The next thing I want to point out with this headset is, I guess the next thing is let's talk about who this headset's for. Well, they designed it for gamers, so yes, it's meant and directed towards gamers, which is great. So when I go play a game, I get this fantastic sound. If it works on an Xbox, it works on a PlayStation, it works on your phone. But with your phone, I can guarantee you're only going to get stereo. With the other devices, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure Adobe probably works well with that. And now let's move on to the headset itself. The quality is pretty decent. It's durable. It feels durable. It's a little bit tight on the head, but that's okay. It's not like crushing you. It's a high quality plastic. There's no metal to it whatsoever. And neat thing here with the headset is the two side covers come off. So I've got the brilliant idea of creating a cover for the headset. To replace those covers with my logo on it. What I think I'll do is I'll post, once I'm done and happy with the design, I will post them on Thingiverse without my logo, so you can do whatever you want with the files. All right. I may also post it on my mini factory just to give you options. All right. With that, I kind of like that. I mean, that's kind of convenient to have. And one side has a USB plug, which I'm not sure that's for. I'm assuming to charge the headset if you don't have the base with you. And the other side houses the battery. The mic seems sturdy and strong. It's got a wire coil inside a rubber outer casing, which is guaranteed to be nice and flexible and work well. And that's pretty much where I'm at with this. Okay. Now let's talk about my overall thoughts of the headset. I do enjoy it. I will give you that. I am very disappointed that it doesn't have noise cancellation. That was one of the features I was looking for when I was looking to replace my old headset. My old headset didn't have that either, but at least the isolation was pretty decent. And sound quality is great for my needs. The mic is decent enough for my needs. And it's got plenty of flexibility. But like I said, it doesn't have the noise cancellation, which is an unfortunate situation. I'd recommend any casual gamer. Be great for them. I'd recommend this headset for anyone who does YouTube on a casual basis, just for the fun of it, and not overly concerned over the quality of the audio. It's decent enough to get by. And the sound quality of the headset when we're watching movies, videos, and music is fantastic for the average person. All right, that's my thoughts on this. I'll catch you guys later. Please subscribe if you haven't. I am going to start, I think I'm going to start the OpenRC project pretty soon, so let's look forward to that. That's going to be when I have the money to buy the components, that is. All right. And that'll be fun. I'll catch you guys later. Subscribe. Hit that bell icon. Enjoy your night. Enjoy your night.